Why do we remember smells so well compared to other senses? The answer is hidden deep in your brain's wiring and reveals surprising secrets about memory and emotion. Your sense of smell is unique because it sends signals directly to the brain's limbic system, which controls memory and emotions. Unlike vision or hearing, which pass through the thalamus first, smell bypasses this filter. This direct route strengthens the connection between sense and vivid emotional memories. That's why a whiff of a certain perfume or food can instantly bring back a detailed moment from your past. The limbic system not only processes smell, but also governs your emotions. When a smell triggers an emotional response, it strengthens the memory's imprint. Emotional memories tend to be more vivid and long-lasting because they engage multiple brain areas. This is why certain smells can make you feel nostalgic, happy, or even anxious, anchoring those feelings in your mind for years. From an evolutionary perspective, the ability to remember smells gave humans a survival edge. Our ancestors needed to quickly identify dangers like fire or spoiled food by scent. Remembering these smells helped avoid threats and find nourishing food. This survival need likely shaped why our brains prioritize olfactory memories more than other senses, making smell a powerful and lasting memory trigger. So the next time a familiar scent takes you back in time, remember it's your brain's unique design linking smell directly to emotion and memory. This powerful connection helped humans survive and keeps your past alive in your nose. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.